Number 1, change 5/8 to a decimal. You just do 5 divided by 8 is 0.625. Number 2, change 5% to a decimal. You move it to left, 0.05. 0.23 as a percent. You move it to the right. So that, okay, change this to a percent, so that would be 23%. Number 4, if somebody got 7 out of 35, that's 7 over 35, which is 7 divided by 35, is 0.20. Change to a percent, move it 2 to the right. Number 5, an 18% tip on $15.49. You change 18% to the decimal and multiply. That would be $2.79 for a tip. Okay, number 6, $300 taken out of $1,700. You divide. Okay, and that's 0.1765, which is 17.65%. $20 with a 15% discount. You multiply by the decimal, 0.15. That's a $3 discount. So that means 20 minus 3 is our price before tax. If tax is 7%, you multiply the 17 times 0.07, which is $1.19 in tax. So that says our total is 17 plus $1.19 is $18.19. Okay, 40 hours equals $640. 40 hours plus 6 hours of overtime is $784. So $784 minus $640 tells us $144 is the overtime pay. Well, there were 6 hours of overtime, so 144 total dollars divided by 6 hours tells us that it was $24 per hour. $3% commission, and they want to make $2,400. Okay, so 3% of something equals 2,400. So change 3% to a decimal. We don't know what the something is, so it's x. So 0.03x equals 2,400. Divide. That tells us the person needs to make $80,000 in sales. Okay. Number 10, it suggests that you only spend 30% of your income on rent or a mortgage. So 30% of an income of $2,500 is $750. Okay, number 11, if I put $3,000 down, $450 a month. Y is money. X is months. The equation for how much money has been spent, $450 times how many months you've paid your car note, plus $3,000 is just one time. Okay. Number 12, somebody's taxable income is $30,000. The first $16,000 is at 12%. So 16,000 times 0.12 is 1920. The remaining amount is 14,000, and that's taxed at 15%. So 0.15 times 14,000 is 2,100. Okay, so our total tax is the two added together. Okay. The Uber trip is $7 for first 3 miles. It's $2 a mile for anything after 3 miles. Okay. A 15-mile trip. Okay. The first 3 miles are included in the $7. So that means 12 miles at $2. Okay, so that's $24 plus the other 7 is, okay, this is for the 12 miles. This is for the first 3 miles. So $31 total. Okay, 50 yards. 3 feet equals 1 yard. We put the yards on bottom so they cancel. Okay, so that tells us that is 150 feet. Okay, change 7 pounds, 5 ounces to ounces. £1 is 16 ounces. You put pound on bottom so that cancels. Okay, that tells us 112 ounces. Okay, but it's 7 pounds and another extra 5 ounces. So we add the extra. Okay, the 112 is for the 7 pounds. It's 7 pounds and 5 ounces, so that total is 117 ounces. "473 miles, change to kilometers. 0.62 miles is 1 kilometer. Kilometer goes on top, miles goes on bottom, so that miles cancel. Okay, that tells us 473 over 0.62, and kilometers is the units that didn't cancel. So that's 762.9 kilometers. Okay, 946 miles divided by 32 miles per gallon is 29.6 gallons. 29.6 gallons times $3.30 per gallon would be $98. Okay, there's 18 red out of 38 total, and that reduces because 2 divides into each. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 38 divided by 2 is 19. Okay, if there's 10 things can be in each thing, and there's 6, that equals 10 times 10, where we have 6 of them. Okay, that tells us how many unlock codes. Okay, each thing is 10 because you can have 1 through 9 and the digit 0. Okay, each of the digits can be 10 separate things because it can be 1 through 9 plus 0. Okay, F equals 9/5 C plus 32. They want us to find C when F is 122. So 122 goes in for F. Okay, now we need to solve. Subtract 32 on both sides. Okay, now I can multiply by 5 on both sides. So I'm going to times 5 times 5. On the right side, that makes the 5's cancel. So I get 90 times 5. Okay, now I still have the 9. Now I can divide by 9 and get C equals 50. And that's the end of our review.